Congratulations, you made yourself a family. Now you can be a proud parent. Let's flex to see if it behaves correctly. Okay, so click on your 3D view and then we can put shade and click on the top. This is your beautiful child. Okay, and now let's flex to see if it knows how to behave. You can click here, family types, and then we can change dimensions as we see how it works. Let's change the depth. Okay, 400. Apply. Works. Let's go back. Apply. Height 300. Apply. It works. 100. Apply. Overhang. So let's see if it works. 200. Apply. Yeah, we can change the overhang. Let's keep the 300. Apply. And now the seat thickness. Let's make it very thin. 220. Apply. Yeah. Larger. Apply. And the width. Let's make it smaller. Apply. It works. And go back to the size. Congratulations, it works.